If you want to learn how to add a page break in LibreOffice Writer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to start a new page exactly where you want it, whether you're working on a brand new document or editing an existing one. This is a really useful skill for school projects, reports, letters, assignments, and any document that needs clean formatting and better organization. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you can either create a new Writer document or open the existing document you want to edit. If you're starting from scratch, just open a blank Writer file. If you already have a document made, open that instead so you can place the break exactly where you need it. Now scroll through your document and find the spot where you want the new page to begin. This is important because the page break will be inserted right at the cursor position. So click once at the exact point where you want the next page to start. You can place it after a paragraph, after a heading, or anywhere in the content where you want a fresh page. Once your cursor is in the correct position, look at the top menu bar and click Insert. This is where LibreOffice keeps many of its formatting and document structure tools. After you click Insert, find and select Page Break. As soon as you click it, LibreOffice Writer will automatically move everything after your cursor onto a new page. That means your document is now split neatly, and the new section begins on a fresh page. This is perfect if you want to separate chapters, create a title page, start a new section, or just improve the layout of your document. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can add a page break in LibreOffice Writer and keep your document looking clean and professional. If you are looking for a simple way to control page layout in Writer, now you know exactly how to do it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel because I'll be bringing you more quick and easy tutorials to help you work faster in LibreOffice and other popular software tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.